do. You just ain't looking at the
Bro,
chair.
you have your whole legs
You
on
gotta
me,
look
bro.
at
Good Scott, you
get
want to sit on
up
my leg?
and literally walk right in front of the chair to the point where you can't move no more. Walk towards the chair like you can't move. Now press J.
Whoa, you said I'm allowed drugs.
Oh my God.
Hey, listen.
Wait, I think my cousin got a fine.
Kick
I
out.
think my cousin got a fine, guys.
Who here was there during the incident?
Get your ass
Oh,
down,
that nigga's
Chico.
dead in the
You ain't gotta
courtroom.
stand there till they say all rise.
Oh, Ross!
Come
Hey, I
on.
ain't
that?
tripping. I'm chilling, brody.
Why you yelling in my ear, man?
Shut your bitch ass up, you old nigga. I know you need a hearing aid.
You lucky we in court right now, young
I
blood.
will, I will beat your ass, bitch. Shut up.
You lucky we in court in here, young blood.
Listen up,
My
listen
bad,
up.
my bad, my bad,
I
my bad.
understand everybody here is over the age of 15, so y'all can hear.
Wait, got the green shirt, ball?
Hold on, man. Let me sit next to my female, man.
If
Move out the way.
any of y'all start trolling
Manny.
during this court case,
Ooh, bro.
Let me sit next to my female, nigga. Matter of fact, I'm gonna sit on this.
Roll off the railing. You got 5 seconds.
Trap star, who's smoking?
Hey.
I can't even see no chin.
Oh my god, y'all finna
Let's just
Oh
make
my
sure we're
fucking
all
God.
holding ourselves to a professional.
Oh
standard
my
here, like,
fucking
seriously.
God, my face.
I don't want to kick nobody out, you know.
No, yo,
Bro,
Manny,
oh.
word of my dads, move, nigga.
You call me so about
Fuck your mother,
sit
nigga.
down.
Listen, everybody be quiet, bro. Bro, sit on the chair.
Hey, Jay, where you at?
Sit on the chair, not in the air.
Nigga, boss,
Hey,
sit
Jay,
chill,
bro.
man.
Yo, somebody pick up this double bag in the middle of the road.
He's actually sit chill.
I don't think it's enough chairs here for everybody.
Nigga, it's enough chairs.
See any chairs.
Yo, Rain, you here?
Hey,
Mike,
off fight
you here?
fours. Off fight fours. Just stand up.
Rain, you remember when that was Mikey's lawyer?
Bro, whose mic is that?
Oh, God.
Ah.
What's up with your voice box, boss? I knew you was police.
Hey, get off the railing, bro.
I knew FTO was police. Look at this nigga recording this shit.
Hey, Jay. T/sit, bro.
Yo, what's up, man?
We're at this court case right now.
Yo, what's up?
What, bro? This is
What's
my
up
voice.
with the, what's
God
up with
damn,
the
it's like the
changer,
whole
my
city in
boy?
this bitch. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Fuck.
You brought the
God
city out.
damn.
That's
You
how
brought the
important
city out.
Chico is.
Right now, hold on, bro.
What the fuck?
Hi, Batman.
What the fuck is
Chico
this?
ain't in jail.
I ain't know my
He going
terms. That
to
nigga
jail.
said,
This
hey, that
ain't-
nigga
this
said,
ain't
oh,
about
Ross, I
prison.
got nervous. Oh, shit.
Get y'all asses up.
He
Oh,
said,
shit.
alright, alright. Do we supposed to get up too?
Yeah, nigga, everybody. He said all rise. Don't y'all know what all rise
We
means?
supposed to get up?
She?
Oh, yeah.
Shut the
Yes.
fuck up, you old bitch.
You stupid. Hey, man, look. You get out of here. I'm punching the first young nigga I see.
Yo, get up. Stop sitting down.
Everybody salute.
Hey, I brought a gun in here.
Yo, he brought a gun in here. That's a threat. He's a terrorist. The fuck?
Look, the judge can't even sit down.
Hey, can you shut up over there?
Who else wants to talk?
Can I be the judge?
He's got a gun.
This nigga sat on the floor.
Sir, you're too close to me. Can
This
you
nigga
step
sat on
away?
the floor. Hey, somebody help the
That
judge
big
out.
ass fucking thing's in her face, nigga.
Hey,
Thank
Jay,
you.
can
How
you...
old is the judge?
Oh
I
my
don't know if
fucking
he
god, I
incapable
can't
of
even
All
see
these
this
people
nigga.
over here are protesting.
Nigga's invisible.
Who's the judge?
Fuck out of here. I got you.
But he
Boy.
said we could be
Go to
seated.
the other side. Go to the other
Man,
side.
Y'all
listen,
can
I
piss me
just
off.
want to know
Go
if
to
the
the other
judge
side.
is
Bro,
in his
this
right
fucking
mind.
guy with the fours, bro. Stop.
Luke, how you stand up?
Click X, bro.
Yo, what the fuck is this? A jungle
Shut the
gym?
fuck up.
My bad. I can't hear that nigga. I can't lie. What the fuck is happening? Hold on. Let me get
Yo,
closer.
make sure you're on shout, Rain.
Right,
Yo,
you ain't
Ray,
no
make
shout,
sure
you
you're
don't
on
whisper.
shout. Oh
You
shit,
don't
I wasn't
whisper.
gonna shout. Alright, yo.
No, you wasn't.
Alright, y'all can hear me now?
Yeah, we got you.
Alright, bet. So the
No.
court case is starting right now. The court case is between the Crips versus PD. Judges now came to the court room, so now we're gonna go ahead and get this trial started. All right.
She just fucking sat on the steps.
All right. So this court case is between the
Don't give a
neighborhood,
fuck.
which is a local street organization,
Hey, who got weed?
and the LSPD, which is the fine establishment.
Fucking thugs.
Hey, who got Molly?
All right. So the neighborhood Crips, your defense. What do you want to sue for? You know what I'm saying? What's going on?
My back up.
All right, Your Honor. So we're here today to speak
Nigga, sit
on.
down.
We are here. Hey, can everybody be quiet, please, while I do my intro? Thank you. I appreciate that. So, Your Honor,
Okay.
Your Honor, we are here today to talk about my client here being unlawfully imprisoned due to the case that
Shut the fuck up, my nigga.
PD arrested him for no
Arrested
reason, Your
you.
Honor.
Shut the fuck up. Yo, I
Stop and
can't
go
hear
eat
you,
dinner.
sir.
I said we are
Stop and go
here
to
to
eat
talk
dinner.
about. I said
Shut up,
today
fat
we
ass.
are here to talk about my client Chico and why he was unlawfully in prison.
He's a faggot.
Also, we are here
He's a
today
thug.
to win, and that's about it.
That gotta be the worst opening
Yo,
argument
Zach,
I
I'm
ever
going to
heard.
eat dinner.
Hey, lock him up.
Would you like to present
Zach,
He's guilty. Lock him up.
witnesses?
Zach.
Where's his lawyer?
Hey,
Where's the
yo,
lawyer
what the
at?
fuck?
Yo.
Hey, I think they need to get held in contempt, man. They keep talking.
Yeah.
On
Hit it up.
behalf of PD, I'm here defending our department. We are countersuing. They are suing us for 4 mil. We're countersuing them 2 mil for defamation.
6 mil.
Also 2 mil. 6 mil. Well, we're countersuing for 4 mil. 2 mil for defamation and 2 mil for police
I'm
work
gonna be
that
right
it
back.
took to get this.
Oh, who's this nigga?
So we'll be going through this process and we'll see what you come up with.
This annoying ass guy is back.
Neighborhood Crips, would you guys like
Oh, sit your ass
present
down, nigga.
any statements or
I
anything
will.
to the court?
I would like to call
put a
Chico
Chico up
up
there.
to the stand, Your Honor.
So Chico,
Hey,
whoever
sit your
Chico
ass
is, come
down,
to my
nigga.
right side.
Fuck my face.
You need my mic.
All right, Chico, do you swear to tell the truth, only the truth, and nothing but the truth?
This
so
guy
help
has
you
his
God?
Johnson in my face, bro.
This nigga had his ass on my face. Sit the fuck down.
Sir, you put your hands down, you can't see.
Oh my.
All right, Chico. That is your government name, correct?
Yes, it is.
Chico,
pass
can you
that shit.
pretty much tell me what day
On
the
GD,
incident
pass.
happened?
Hey, pass that shit, nigga. Let me get that.
It was about 3-4 days ago. I think it was 4 days ago.
Bro, why am I licking
4
this
days
guy's knee,
ago.
bro?
Okay. And can you give me a brief statement on what
God
happened
damn.
that day?
This guy keeps on blowing in my face. My
For
character's
some
dying.
reason, you know, I was passed out. I woke up. I saw my brother dead on the ground.
Yo,
So
cop.
I picked him up.
Shh.
Next thing I know, police started arresting me.
I'm gonna be
Telling them,
confiscating that
like, yo, my brother's
to
dead.
the
Why
end
you
of the thing.
Why
Yep,
you
you won't get it
arresting me?
back.
And I got thrown in jail. Actually,
Oh my God.
happened on. I'm sorry, because I banged my head up against the ground when I was
Nigga's taking a
listening.
piss.
But
Remember, you are under
Objection.
oath, sir.
Objection.
It seemed like yesterday, but it was
Hold on, he
over.
objected. He
It was
objected.
Nah, hit the wrong key button.
Yo, stop pissing, bro. It's
Objection.
getting on me.
Objection for relevance.
Nigga, relax. I hit the wrong key button.
I do apologize.
We're speaking on the brief we're speaking on the brief situation that happened on the day of the incident. There's definitely relevance in the situation, Your Honor.
So
Just make sure you stay on top.
actually, get the fuck off the radio. Like 6 years ago, man. They imprisoned me for 60 months. You know,
Changing the
after
story.
I'm just trying to pick up my dead brother. 60 months. You know, tell me I'm interfering with the scene, and now I'm here. I tell them, you know, that's a lot of time to do.
Okay, so
Hey, that's fact.
so before the incident, do you have any recollection of what happened before the incident?
I do not.
You do not.
He's
All
guilty.
right. Do you recall the police being there and killing your brother? Did you witness that happen?
I did not.
Lock him
You
up.
did
He's a
not
thug.
witness that happen.
Might
Okay.
I add, my brother is not
He's a thug.
in the charitable organization of the neighborhood.
Where the wood at?
Okay.
He's an
Okay.
island boy.
Okay, so he's a civilian. So he had nothing to do with the situation since are you saying that you were on
Yo, I think he's an island
Sir,
on a
please get
boy.
up
gang
and
member
report.
plot?
told y'all, if you're not in court, get off the
Was this between a gang and
Oh,
PD? Did it have
Yes,
anything
now
to
get
do
off
with
the radio.
civilians?
Bro, what the
he's a
fuck is
thug.
happening?
We know
It
he's guilty.
didn't, but he did have
Who said that?
Oh, damn.
Who said that?
He's an
I saw he
island
did have
boy.
a gun on him.
Oh
said
my
that?
God. I
You're
can't
the-
hear
Somebody
the,
get
I
this
can't hear the
dude.
fucking close.
Stop talking.
But he was dead. You know, it wasn't nothing that they could do with him.
Right. Okay, Your Honor. So basically,
It wasn't on him. It was just like on the ground.
shooting this bitch up.
20 feet away type.
Yep, I'm
20
about
feet
to
away. Okay.
take him away.
So, Your
I have
Honor,
so much
basically
evidence.
the point that the relevance of all of this is that my client has no
Brandon, tell these niggas
recollection of
shut up,
what
bro. I
happened during
can't
that
hear.
day. And the reason because of that, due to surveillance cameras, is that my client soul actually passed away, Your Honor. So, if you was to look at the Woods law here, if you were to look
Sir,
at
you okay, sir?
section 4
Meanie, shut
category
the fuck
C,
up.
addendum
Yeah.
I,
Please go to
it
the
says
bathroom for
that
that.
doing so would be breaking the new life rule. So, what is the new life rule? The new life rule basically states that once you are dead, you have no recollection of what happened and be spawned for 10 minutes, Your Honor. So my client here. So my
Shit, war.
so basically, Your Honor, so it states here you are not allowed to kill someone who got revived, responds for 10 minutes. Doing so will be breaking the new life rule. So in the case of the PD taking him to jail, the reason why it was
Brandon, tell them
unlawful is
shut up, bro.
because my client
Just
here,
take it
his soul
11:49.
had
Take
passed
11:49.
away.
He passed
He had
away,
no
how was
rec.
he in
Nigga, Meanie,
jail?
shut up.
What was that?
If he passed away, how was he in jail? I heard this.
Exactly. If he passed away, how is he in jail? That's a great question, Your Honor.
Just
Because
watch
my
this shit,
client
bro.
here,
We're about to kill this man.
my
Once we
client
get
here.
told to go up there, we're killing.
Excuse me, Your Honor. My man over here
Yo,
keeps
just go on
talking. I'm
whisper.
trying to
Just go on
present my
whisper.
case. So basically, Your Honor, my client here soul left his body, and it left his body because the PD here killed him. Once my client's soul returned back to his body, he had no recollection of what happened, and is to be allowed 10 minutes before interacting or being arrested or being killed again, Your Honor. Being the
Sir, I
fact
would
that
like
he
to
was
ask you
the fact
where
that
are you
he
getting
was
these laws
arrested,
from of this fake leave?
it is under section 4 category C addendum I, Your Honor. It
I
is the
really
new.
truly apologize. I've never heard of any law stating that you need that. What
It is the wool. It is the Woods law,
Hey,
Your Honor.
so Your Honor, I'm gonna have to object to this whole process right here because this right here has no relevance to what we're currently being sued for, and we're being sued for
It
unlawfully
definitely.
putting him into jail, and this right here has nothing to do with that.
It does, Your Honor, because you sent
let's
an
get to
innocent
the
man to
unlawful thing.
jail. He sent an innocent man to jail who had no recollection of what happened prior. Whatever he did prior to his prior soul did has nothing to do with him being arrested. That's not in jeopardy, Your Honor. He can't die and also go to prison afterwards for a crime that he did not commit.
All right? So can I cross-examine your defendant now?
Yes, Your Honor. And, I would also like to submit into evidence, Your Honor.
I don't usually accept evidence on the day of the trial, but I'm gonna pass this.
Where would you like me to submit that evidence, Your Honor?
Right here, hand
Hold on, let me get it, Your Honor. Hold on one moment.
Jesus, this meth is good.
Oh shit.
My.
What's wrong with these niggas?
This retarded.
What the fuck?
Your Honor, the ticket was submitted. I'm currently getting the ticket
crackhead in the
number.
courtroom.
Please, somebody just call somebody in the armory,
Right,
bro.
sir.
Whoa, why are you arresting him? Why are you
I'm
arresting
having
him?
my paralegals get that for me right now, Your Honor.
I'm taking him outside.
Play the evidence on the big
Are you talking
screen.
about the current one that we have open with all the other evidence in there?
That is correct. That is correct.
Yeah, so
As
there
you can
was.
see, go ahead.
I'll go after you.
So as you can see, Your Honor, if you look at the ticket and you look at the evidence of my client, you can clearly see that my client was on, I believe this was Crip Block. Is that correct, Chico?
Yeah.
My client was on Crip Block, and you can clearly see that he had
That's a
fully
lie.
passed away. Fully passed away.
You can see, sir.
The top clip, Your Honor.
Data, what's going on right now?
So with this, the moment that my client's soul returned back to his body, anything prior to that is invalid. I am now ready for cross-examination, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, all right, so it's my turn. All right, so can I ask you, this is the defendant right here. I currently represent the PD station. My name is Rain Brossi, and I'm the IA director. So can I ask you a question? Is your name Chico Bean? Can we start there on the basis that that is your name, right?
No.
So what can you tell for the court and the record that what is your name?
My name Chico Chamberlain. It's not
Chico
Bean.
Chico Chamberlain. Chico Chamberlain. Thank you. Thank you for that. So can I ask you, on the day that are currently submitting, that we currently are sitting here in court today for, can you please give us the accurate description of what happened leading up to this current predicament?
So we had a whole scene on Crip Block
sound
where
like
the
a
police
fuck.
shot me down.
Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I apologize. Hey, whoever's over here talking, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you get kicked out. Like, on God. Like, I'm not even playing.
Oh, crap.
All right, my fault. You go ahead. You can go ahead.
I was told that when I was on the Crip Block, the police pulled up and they shot me down. You know what I'm saying? They had then already taken everything off of me. I passed away on the block. The police then took some of the guys and I guess they drove them off or something like that. I don't know what happened, but the scene was over with how much time went by. I'm like, even in the clip, I'm like, yo, they just gonna leave us? Like, we was sitting out there for quite some time. You know what I mean? So I did T/L. You know what I'm saying? Because the scene was over. They already took everything off me. I had already bled all the way out. That's according to what was told to me. So once I get up, then they come back and spin the block again because they feel like they could just spin the block anytime. The civilian, he was on the way of bleeding out. I was talking to him, and he was like, it's some bullshit. I was like, damn, bro, you might could push that, cause goddamn, they can't kill civilians. But he told me he had a gun. So goddamn.
So can I ask you? I don't mean to cut you off. So you said spin the block. Can you just put in the record what does that mean for? Like, what does that mean for us?
It means that PD just constantly riding on Crip Block, even if it ain't nothing going on. PD want to set up on different stuff. They want to come in and talk to us and set up other people and interrogate us. And it don't even be no need for no interrogation.
So let's just ask this question. Let's ask this question. I apologize for cutting you off one more time, but I just wanted to ask. So who determined whose block that was? Because I just wanted to verify, like, is this a block that you guys had purchased as an organization? Like, is this like an organization type of thing? Like, is this like is this yours? Like,
we're sitting in a court case for Chico.
Okay, so you said that you guys
own the block. I actually own the block.
For Chico, it's at 211,
So you said
bro.
that you own
Leave
this
your
block,
guns in the
and
car.
you said that you do charity. Can you explain to the jury, like, what charity do you do?
I own taco
Yeah,
shop.
Jay's still
And
here.
I give out jobs. You know what I'm saying? Like, it could be somebody who I feel like they just be on too much hots. They selling drugs. I tell them, hey, you ain't got to sell drugs. I run ads all the time telling them, hey, you know what I'm saying?
Hush.
This the highest paying job in the city, and that's what I funnel through the
All right,
neighborhood.
so I would like to submit right now that we do also, like, I just wanted to ask you just this before I even get to that point. So how many people are in your organization? Like, how many in a rough number could you give us?
Probably about 16.
Yeah, okay. So let's get back on track to the actual case at hand. So you were dead on scene. You were given aid on the scene, and you said that they arrested you after the fact. Now, with your
So it was somebody else who was on the. When they arrested me, I had them been up sometime, and I was talking to somebody who was bleeding out, and I'm just trying to see what's going on.
see, that's my thing, and not to cut off again. And I apologize, I keep cutting you off, but that's my thing here, right? You said that you were talking to somebody that was bleeding out, but the guy that you were talking to was dead on his back. So how were
No,
you?
he wasn't dead on his back.
He was
If you
dead
look at
on
the
his
if
back.
you look at the evidence, he was not dead on his back. And when the police pulled up, that's when I had him on my when the police pulled up and put us in the handcuffs, he was
So,
definitely dead on his
so
back.
what story is this then? Because you and your lawyer just told the judge here that you guys you were speaking to somebody, you were talking and to somebody that was dead, and now you're saying that he wasn't fully
No,
dead.
I'm
So
saying
which one
I'm
is
saying
it?
I didn't say he was fully dead. I said he was bleeding out.
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance.
They kicked you?
I said he was bleeding
Duly
out.
noted. We can move on from this.
Sustained.
Yeah, bro, they kicked me.
So going
If-
to so go with my
If we
fault.
I don't
clearly,
know him. He's a
if we,
civilian. You know?
if we clearly look at the evidence at hand, Your Honor, you can clearly see that the civilian was bleeding out. He was not, his soul did not leave his body yet, Your Honor. And my client here, as a active member of the community, thought that, hey, this guy is bleeding out. He is a
Bro, shut the fuck
civilian.
up.
Let me help him. Is that breaking the law? I didn't think so.
During the active crime scene, yes, that is breaking the law.
All right, so
It's
let's
a crime scene that's going on.
wait, so
on my
Civilians
block
were
that I
civilians were not a part of the crime scene, Your Honor. They had
all right,
had
so
no.
I would like to
Was he-
step back
was
in
he
here.
Dead on the ground? Or was
He
dying
got
on the ground,
he
bleeding out?
He
he
came
got
through and
he
just
got
started
caught.
shooting everybody. I'm not even
Yes.
gonna cap.
Once the police arrive on
Civilians.
scene, it is an active crime scene as soon as they arrive.
That is correct, Your Honor. That is correct. And as Chico mentioned before, so much time had passed by that the scene was already declared over, Your Honor. And
All
he
right,
was a
so I would
civilian.
like to step back in here, and I apologize for cutting you off. But what is a scene? You keep saying scene, sir, and I have no idea what you're talking about. You keep
I
saying
mean,
that
the
we were in an
situation
active,
was,
but the thing is that there was still active
I'm
PD on.
using.
There was active PD on the site still. PD was
Mm-hmm.
still rendering aid and giving and arresting individuals that were to be arrested and searching
Mm-hmm.
the people who had passed on. So how do you determine when that situation was over with? What
Okay,
gives you
I
what gives you and your
wait, hold
client
on,
the
hold
right
on,
to
hold on.
determine that's over with?
You know what? You know what? I'm gonna talk to the jury right here. I'm gonna talk to the jury right here. The lawyer here said that
I'm on the other
police.
Yo, what the?
The lawyer said here that the police was
The
rendering
jury's on
here,
the other
sir.
side, by the way. The jury's over there.
I'm over
Man, I
here,
ain't
right
talking
here.
to them. Nah, man. So
I have the
all
jury,
right, so
sir.
all right, so he basically said that the police were making arrests and rendering aid. Is that
How do I
correct?
respond to that shit?
Yes, sir.
How do you do that?
If the police were actually rendering
What response
aid
what?
and not just coming to the block to shoot up
No,
everybody,
I'm talking about the DM you're sending me.
My client here, Chico, would not have to be in the position to render aid. Is that correct?
Sir,
Yo,
we have
Chief,
the Forensics
Commissioner.
team on the site.
I think it's your turn.
No.
Resnick?
You are the
see the
jury.
jury talk about we got the
Yeah,
forensic
no.
team
What
on the site.
what is going on here?
Because I have multiple
This is
body
rigged.
cam footage, sir.
What is-
I have
what
body
is
cam
body-
footage, sir.
How does the
So
jury?
are you
fucking
telling
body
me that
cam.
you're
What the fuck?
also a part of the
He's
police
rigged.
department?
No, sir.
He-
they're
no,
just
he's
my
not.
How the jury got
No, he's
evidence?
not.
That's not
I
how
have
it
no
works.
idea. I have no idea why he's stepping out of turn.
And what is your name?
I'm trying to laugh.
My name
All right, so
Jacob
can we?
Breezy.
All right, so can we get back to the
Alright,
hands
alright,
because
so
I was still cross-examining.
All right, let's get back.
So-
That nigga's a cop.
I would like to
This-
say
Motor
something
Fugger.
All right, go ahead.
for the court.
Go
Alright,
ahead.
so
I
when
want to
I-
check
when I-
his. I want to check his roles, Your Honor, because I believe he's a part of PD, and this whole operation is a setup.
I don't know about that one, boss.
But I do want to say this, man.
He had a
When
camera
I picked
out.
that guy up before he took me to jail, that guy was fully dead. Once somebody's fully dead, you cannot do nothing with him. The PD had already taken everything up off of him.
And
Hello.
and that's where I want to step in at, right? Because you're currently misinformed.
Let him finish.
Oh, my fault. Go ahead.
I'm saying he was fully dead, bro. Once you fully dead, the PD already took everything off of him. He has no significance in the scene. For me to tell you PD that and be like, yo, he already died. Yeah, significance in this scene. I have no significance. We just getting back into the shit. For you to take
All right, so this
me
is
to
where we got to
jail
step back
for
in, right?
for
Because
a
you guys were
whole
talking
hour,
about the rules, right?
you know
And
what
you
I'm
guys were
saying?
stating that
Yeah,
the
we
new
are
life
talking
rule.
about the
So this
I
rules.
could,
is
I could
this
see, I
is
could
also
see
in the
if
new
I,
life
I
rule,
could
right?
see,
When
I
you are
could
in
see.
an active
Hold
scene,
up,
hold
hold
on,
up, hold
let's
up, hold
pause.
up.
Let's pause and let me
I
finish.
could see, cause I wasn't done. I could
Ring,
see
keep talking.
if I just got jailed for like 20 minutes, 15 minutes, bro. Y'all put me in
Minutes,
there for a
years,
whole hour, bro.
months,
5 years,
months,
bro.
20
Come on, bro.
months.
Like,
All
come
right,
on,
sir.
bro.
All right, sir. So, like, what like, as I was, as you guys were talking about
That's
the
what I'm
new,
saying.
if you guys were talking about the new life rule, right? With the new life rule, you cannot return to an active scene before 10 minutes.
It
That
was
is what the
over
rule
10
is.
minutes.
It wasn't over 10 minutes because when you got up, you bled out. It takes 5 minutes to bleed out. You bled out, got up, got help, and you continue to to the guy for 2 minutes. Keep in mind, PD are still arresting people at that time, and you took
Bro,
it
y'all
upon
left
yourself
the whole
to pick.
scene because y'all
I'm
left
not
the
done
whole
talking. I'm
scene
not
because those
done.
civilians pulled
I'm
up.
not done talking.
Order.
I'm not done talking, sir.
Let him
I
finish
would like to
talking.
finish. I would like to finish my point. I'm saying that you returned to the scene. You never left. You got up and never.
Bro,
A broken rule right there. Second of all,
Objection,
you
Your Honor.
also picked.
what's
Objection.
You also
objection?
go ahead.
Objection.
Because
Objection, Your
look,
Honor.
let me tell you why I didn't lead a
The
scene.
objection is over.
Wait, hold
Because
on, hold
because
on. Objection, Your Honor. And the reason why I say objection is because that has my client is not on the podium because he is the one going to jail. All right, Your Honor. I
I
want to make it
understand
clear
that.
that my client is the plaintiff here. Whatever crimes against him must be discussed in a different court hearing, Your Honor. We are here today to speak on how my client was unlawfully arrested, Your Honor, and nothing else.
Well, if you guys would let me get through my point before getting through it, I would get to the point. Keep in mind, you are the one that brought up the new life rule, so I am just going back to that and circling back. So as I was saying, you never left the scene and you picked the guy up, which made yourself re-initiated into the scene. They gave you a directive to put the body down, and you did not listen. So in
Do
that
you
turn,
have a clip
you
of
got
that?
arrested.
they
That
never
was said
Where's
to
the
you.
evidence
That
of
was
that?
said to you in your body cam and in our body
It was
cam.
in the body cam that I reviewed.
bro, y'all
Chico.
I said he died all the way. Y'all
All
already
right,
took
so
everything off him. Y'all
I
only
feel
said
like
that one time, and
I
then y'all
do
took me. Like I
I do
said, bro,
I
it's
do
not
feel like
Speculation, Your Honor. Speculation. That
it's
is
not
purely speculation.
it's not speculation when it's literally in
bro.
the body cam and it's in your evidence that you submitted to PD. So if you
And
would like
where's
to,
PD's evidence against me, bro?
why don't
Where's the PD clip?
Show
you
the
have not
footage.
you have not provided any substantial evidence for us to even
I'm gonna start
fathom
that by the time
giving
this
you
case
any
over.
evidence to even
I'm-
back that up.
What-
You don't
How
In
have that.
not,
order,
bro? Look,
in
look,
order
Okay,
for
okay,
my,
let's get back on topic.
in
Let's get
order,
back on
in
topic.
order, in order for my
in
client.
that look. At that point, I had just died. I had just came back because I died all the way. Y'all left the whole scene because some civilians came and tried to
Sir, this
protect
is
us,
Chico
bro.
All right,
Chamberlain.
so
And
at
in
this
Is your
point,
lawyer right here?
yes,
I would like
and
to.
Do
I
you
in
would.
mind letting your lawyer speak for you?
I'm gonna speak
He's
for
here to
myself right now. I'm gonna speak
Hey,
for myself
You
right
cannot
now
do that with
because
the lawyers.
I have lawyer. I could also represent myself. I would like to
So do you want
represent
to
myself
represent yourself, or do
at
you
this.
want to?
Then why the fuck you
I
got
would
a
like to
lawyer then?
represent myself at this moment because I need
You can't do
y'all to
that.
hear what
You
I'm
can't do
trying to
that.
say. I need y'all to hear what I'm trying to say
I
because
apologize, but you can't do that unless you have a lawyer on board. If you have a lawyer,
well,
he will speak for you. If you don't
I'm
want
on
to
the
well,
speak, you have
stand.
a
judge.
lawyer.
Well,
I could
judge. I
speak on
have.
any questions
Well,
that's
no,
being
you're
asked to me.
supposed.
I'm not
You're
even
supposed
down
to
there.
only. You're supposed to only answer questions that are asked to you. Your lawyer's currently not even cross-examining right now, so I have no idea why he's up here replaying everything that I'm saying. Right now, I'm currently done talking to you. You can go back and have a seat over there, and we can come back to this later. I would like to call up the commissioner in.
Let's go on a quick recess. Boys in recess real quick. 1 second. Everybody go get drinks. You know.
Can I get an
Yeah.
ending statement before recess, Your Honor?
No, we can come back to that. Your client is still being cross-examined.
Yo,
Or you just called a
Excuse
recess?
me, Judge. May we talk in the room, sir?
Feels like a fucking
What?
scam.
No.
hey yo,
This feels like a
You're
fucking
done.
scam, Chico. Chico, I got your back, brother. I got your back.
Nah, they trying to scam me, bro.
They're trying
Like,
to fucking scam you,
Done.
brother.
So you're going to
bro,
jail.
we both died all the way, bro. It don't
Chico,
even
I got
matter
your
at
back,
that
bro.
point. Hey, put in a hey, Adonis.
Hey,
So how do you
Chico, I just
remember?
recommend stop saying that you died. I don't know how you're here if you died.
Pull up to hop in the woods, bro.
Like I
do
said,
you
that's what
remember?
I'm suing for wrongful imprisonment, bro.
I'm straight for the
Yeah,
police.
but just stop saying you died. You wouldn't be here if you died, brother. But I got your back.
Okay.
Let's go, Chico. Come on.
Let's go, one person ain't the jury. This the jury over here. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
He's a part of PD, and he's a part of PD.
Bro, this nigga didn't arrest me
Vex, let's go
before,
smoke
bro.
a blunt, Vex. Let's go.
Chico.
Wait, what's going on
Let's
right now?
go. We gotta go smoke a blunt.
They trying to
Free my
dupe
nigga
me,
Chico
bro.
Yo, is my shit bugging?
Like, bro, me and
Like an
the
intermission?
Hey, is that who is that on PD?
Oh my God. This
Look,
nigga
let me
about-
tell you something. Hold on, no.
Oh my God,
who
this nigga
is-
my
who
way.
is that?
Oh my
Who is
God,
the
this nigga
jury
my. Oh
over
my
there?
God, this nigga my.
Rollo,
Oh,
Rollo.
Whoa, he got a
get the fuck
backpack.
away
He got
from
a
Hey, put me
backpack.
down, bro.
Mickey,
He got
you
a
can
bag,
grab
he
me
got a
like
bag.
that.
he's strapped.
Come here,
He's
Rollo.
got a gun.
Hey, let's come out, step outside.
Let's step outside. Hey, Adonis,
Yo,
I'm
he
with you.
got a
Let's go.
bag.
Let's
Somebody
go.
check that motherfucker right there.
I ain't even gonna hold you, bro.
So like, is it over?
Yeah, I'm good.
Stop using the term that you died. That's not very respectful.
Hey, I only need.
Bro,
Rollo
why
to
he got a
talk to
bag?
you.
You finna blow this bitch. Y'all better check that nigga.
That sort shit sounds stupid, my brother. Come on.
Anybody got a drink?
I'm clean, bro. I'm clean. Don't worry about it.
Not for you. It's like, nah, I got you. You thirsty?
Nah, I'm good.
Sir, what's in that bag?
Hey, fam, what's in that bag?
Hey,
That shit crazy. You
You
scared
got
me.
some Doritos in that bag, man?
Shit, I got a motherfucking Berry Blaster Sour Patch.
Shit, let me get it. Let me get us out
Nigga just brought a bag of snacks.
Come on, bro.
Hey, man, you feel me? Something slight, you know what I'm saying?
You said Doritos. Hold on, let me check.
You trying to slide me those Doritos, bro?
Oh, I got Cheetos. You fuck with Cheetos? The
I
Flavor
do. I
Hollows,
fuck with
my nigga?
Cheetos.
Hey,
I'm gonna stand up. I just
how y'all
do
sit
it
down on
right.
the chair like that? I'm trying to sit down. This shit ain't fucking.
You gotta stand in front of it.
Yeah, look at it.
Face it. You gotta face it and slide sit.
Alright,
Oh, I'm about to come give you these Cheetos, bro.
Yeah, I'm coming.
there we go. Appreciate it.
All rise for the judge.
Come right here. Come right here. Come here.
I feel like sitting down.
How do you sit down? Without just sitting on the floor.
Hey, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Eat. I'm just about to munch, nigga. I'm about to eat some too. Alright, sorry.
A courtroom full of
Me
thugs.
over there, but we're about to wrap this case up. We're about to call this recess back. Appreciate you guys for complying and being here for this.
That's what I keep trying to.
I'm sorry. What'd you say? I couldn't hear you.
I was saying the case is about to wrap up now. Recess is about to come back in. I do appreciate you guys for being here and participating in this case. But
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Yep.
he got-
Thank you.
Free Chico.
Yeah, he got pink dress.
Man, Chico going to jail. I can't wait.
That's crazy.
That's wild.
Clean the streets up.
Yeah, it's almost over.
Get rid of all these thugs.
I can't wait for Chico to go to jail. I've been waiting.
Walking right through this bitch like a fucking thug. circled nigga. this date on your calendar, didn't you, bro?
Oh God, boy.
Nigga, go sit back over there.
They said
Shut the
free
fuck up,
Chico.
bitch.
I said take
Oh
him
my
in.
god.
Yo, who the fuck is this that took my seat?
Everyone, please be
Mickey
seated.
looking kind of cute.
Everyone, please be seated.
Come
Can
on,
y'all
man.
stop
This is
doing
ridiculous.
weird shit?
They're doing
Everybody that's being weird.
They
will
can't call
begin
me
the
cute.
boo.
I'm sorry. Hey, don't nobody call me cute. Nobody.
All right, everybody be quiet.
Call me fucking handsome. All right, my bad. I'm done.
All right,
You're
my bad,
handsome
my
as
bad.
hell.
You look handsome in that suit, Mickey.
That's my
Thank
fault.
you, man. Let me get a look closer.
Sir, can you go find another sheet that's maybe by me?
You gotta let him cross-examine. No, you good. Yeah.
Nah, stay over here,
Y'all
bro.
finna
I wanted to
piss
sit
me
next
off.
to
Don't
you.
go away.
Yeah, bro.
I'm finna be in my head real quick. I'll be right back.
Shut up, bro. If I beat you up in this court.
Officer, 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 she threatened me. Officer, shh, soprano.
All right. Court is now back in session.
Shut your ass up and sit your ass down right now.
Get the,
Sounds like
Chico
my
back
mom.
up here
I'm
for
finna be in my head. I'll be right
cross-examination.
back.
Oh my god, why we
I
up
only got one more thing to say, Rollo.
Hold on. I'm gonna take over.
Sir, he said after his examination.
Your name was what again, sir? You said Chico? Could you speak up for me?
Criminal.
You'd like to...
Yes, my name is Chico. May I also ask what's your name?
Oh yeah, I'm PD Commissioner Jones. My name's
Cap,
David
you
Jones.
even
I'm
know
the
his
PD
name?
Commissioner of the city.
Okay.
Alright, so I got a few questions for you, Chico. I just want to know first off why we're bringing up any rules, because you do know that rules don't trump law, correct?
Oh no, we passed
No, that's
that.
law. That's
We
law.
passed that. We passed that.
I'm asking Chico, not you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We passed that.
Yeah, so I just want to put that out. Like that means
That won't
nothing to
be
this
that.
case.
I won't bring that up anymore.
So I just want to know if you died, what are you doing here?
Oh no, no, no. I'm not even worried about that. We're more pressing on the fact of I was wrongfully arrested and in prison. I
Convicted.
think we can all agree on that. That's why we're here.
No,
That
I
I
don't agree
died,
on
but
that.
we
However,
we
no,
agree on the fact that
no.
I'm
That's
here
you answered
because
my
I want to
question. Thank
press the
you. I don't need
charges.
you talking anymore.
Okay.
However, I just don't understand what you mean by wrongfully arrested. You said you died and then you got up and we arrested you. What do you mean by that?
No. What I further want to say is I told you I wasn't gonna speak on any of that anymore. I don't know what that is, but what I'm saying
I'm
is,
sorry, that information
I
was
was
already
put in
presented to the
jail
court,
for way
so
too
you have
long
to
for the
follow
crime that
the
they said that I committed.
Okay,
That's
what
what I'm
crimes
saying.
were you accused of committing?
I don't know. You guys got it. I would like for you to review that for me.
Yo,
Absolutely.
back the fuck up, my nigga. I'm back.
My fault. My
Your
fault,
lawyer
bro.
didn't look
My
through that
fault.
with you through the evidence that we sent you?
Nah, he did, but
It's not on your
I would
record.
like for you guys to
You got one more time,
very much
buddy.
clarify for me
85.
exactly the charges
Let's
that
coming
you're
at you.
charging me
Superstar.
with.
Are you talking to me?
Let me go see what
If you want to get
counsel
the
is.
fuck out my face.
Stop talking. Stop talking.
Why is there a
Yo, I ain't gonna say it again. Sit
Get
down,
him,
bro.
get him away from me right now.
Sit
Get him
down.
away from me. Get that nigga away from me. PD.
I got you, bro.
On Fat Dan and them Lamer
Said
on.
what? Oh, I got you. You said you wanted to know your charges that were against you.
Yes.
Oh, are you hitting a
So
bong
for
in here,
one, we
bro?
have resisting arrest. We also have not complying with a PD officer. You also had illegal substance on you. And also on top of that, you made a threat to the officer on the way to the police department. So all of that accumulated to an amount that was over 60, and we gave you the maximum we could give you, which is 5 years or 60 months.
What substances were
That's not relevant. At this point,
it's
that's
very
not
much
relevant. It's
because
not relevant to the case.
I spent 5 years in jail. I need to know the amount of drugs that I had on the scene. I need to because I believe I had no drugs because I woke up out of nowhere. I passed out. I don't know what
Well, you
happened,
didn't wake up.
but
You
I
were
had no
resuscitated, sir.
drugs. I had no guns. I didn't resist arrest when you guys arrested me. I might have spoke some words that were unkind, but I didn't resist arrest. You guys told me like what, maybe twice
Yeah, he
to
lost.
put the guy down and
That's not
immediately
unlock
put
him.
me in cuffs. I didn't
Mama,
even
please
get the
don't.
I've
chance
had
to,
enough.
Commissioner-
I
Chico's
don't just
innocent.
want to throw him down,
Commissioner
So I'm
Commissioner
trying to
Jones is
see
going to step back in here.
how that led
Chico's
to 5
innocent.
years.
Chico's
Well, sir,
innocent.
as he stated,
Hey, is it the same dude?
he stated the charges for you, and we have a rundown. We
What?
could tell you exactly
Yes, please.
what each
Yeah, that nigga
charge
woke us up
accounts
too.
for if you'd like that.
I would like to know, the amount of
Mickey.
whatever I had,
Shut up.
Yeah. My
the
bad.
time allotted for
That nigga
each
woke mad.
that I was
That nigga
given.
woke mad. That's the.
Stop typing above your head and stop talking.
Shut up.
'Cause the
That's not
officers
me,
didn't
homeboy.
explain anything to me. They
I'm
just
trying
say,
to
you
sit.
ready
It's
to
not
go to
letting.
jail? You're out of here. You know what I'm saying? Like I didn't get. I'm trying to see. That's why I was very irate because I'm trying to see what y'all arresting me for. Then when I get there, oh, you getting the max. I'm getting the max. Fuck I do to get the max?
He just told you what you did. Do you remember what he said?
I mean, like I said, I didn't have any drugs on me. I did not have any drugs, any weapons.
Did you hear anything else he said?
I didn't threaten his life.
It's a yes or no question.
I heard what he said. I didn't do anything he said, and he's under oath.
I would like to say this. You wouldn't
He's
be able
under
to. You wouldn't even be able to remember if you did have anything on you because for one, you did die. So
No, I didn't. I don't
If
know
he
what you're
died,
talking
how's he
about.
here?
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's a
when you
good
died.
question, lawyer. I mean,
I'm
you're the
talking
one that
about
stated it.
when I
Objection.
awoke, when I awoke,
Objection.
when I awoke,
You want to let your
I
lawyer
saw
talk? You
my
just
guy.
objected.
I saw my friend on the ground. You asked me a
Rule, I
question
guess.
like he's when I saw my friend on the ground. I picked him up. You guys said, put him down, arrest me, and takes me to jail for 5 years. I didn't have anything on me. Why did I go to jail for 5 years?
So let me get this straight. Are you trying to figure out why you went to jail for 5 years after you already
I'm suing
been to jail for
because
5
it's
years? Or are you
unlawful.
trying to sue? Okay, let's get to that
I'm
point
suing.
instead of talking about why you went to jail.
I'm suing. I ain't. What they took me to jail for?
How could he
They
have
had no
drugs?
reason to get
How
me.
could he
When
have
they
guns?
wrongfully convict somebody, they get compensated for the amount of time that they spent in jail unlawfully. Y'all did not have anything on me to sit me in that prison for that long.
I reviewed the body cam evidence footage, and I did see that you were in jail. They were going to give your Uzi back. Done.
I don't even know
So,
what you talking about. I got the.
Okay.
I don't know what you talking. Yeah, I mean,
I will
man,
see.
you
I
talking about some
received
other
evidence
stuff.
from both sides.
That's OOC stuff you talking about.
I don't know what that
We
means.
sticking.
Rain, could you read me off his charges again?
So
please.
he was arrested for not following a directive from a police officer. Also, he had an illegal weapon, illegal drugs on him.
How?
And
Where had
when
the
he
illegal
went down
Don't
to
cut
the,
him
when
off,
he
just
was
let him
going
explain.
down to the PD station, he gave a threat to the officer. So
And
that is why he was received the time that he did.
I need to, if I'm suing, I need to see the body cam of the officer because y'all have to get everything. Y'all have to body cam everything. If I'm suing, then I need to get the body cam of the officer that arrested me and looked in my inventory when he put me in that jail cell because I didn't have
What's an
anything
inventory?
on me. I didn't. That was in my pockets when I went in that jail cell. I did not have anything on me, bruh. Stop playing, bruh. Y'all playing, bro. Go get the body cam footage, and if y'all can't get the body
Well,
cam
you see- let me tell you
then it's
something.
automatically ruled in my
How
favor,
could he
bruh.
have
You see
anything on
what
him?
Your arrest in the initial point. You see, this the rest of this is also the rest of this has nothing to do with the reason why you got arrested in the first place. You were
Invalid.
arrested in the first place because you did not
Objection,
follow the
Your Honor.
directive by a police officer.
Objection.
You're objected to something that's in your evidence. I don't understand what law school you went to, but you
Objection, Your Honor.
All right, back. So
It's invalid. It's invalid, Your Honor. It's invalid. That was objection, Your Honor. If he's speaking on something that happened prior to my
Can I get my
client,
other lawyer up here as well, please? I have two lawyers. I don't just have one.
Well, it's not your lawyer's turn. They had their turn to cross-examine you. They've already done it.
if the lawyer is talking about anything that happened prior to my client coming to the realization that he was knocked out or whatever the case that happened is invalid, Your Honor.
but your client picked the body up while he came after he came to, and we told him twice to put the body down, and he did not.
Objection.
Did
Drop
not.
the
What
body.
did he pick it?
I dropped the body, and
didn't give
I
him a
got put in
chance.
handcuffs and taken to jail.
That's
It
still
wasn't like
it's still not an unlawful arrest because you were still in
how
violation
you
of a
arrested.
rule.
It's
Like,
unlawful
man.
because you
Of
arrested
a
me for
rule.
way
Objection,
too
Your
long,
Honor.
bruh.
A rule. What is a rule, Your Honor? Objection.
You tell me.
Objection, Your Honor. Objection.
You tell me what you tell me.
I want that to
Look,
be removed from the statements,
It ain't
Your
about
Honor.
that, bro. I didn't have nothing on me. Y'all did not have to put me in jail for a whole hour, bruh. For real,
An
bruh.
hour?
I did not have
Put you in there for 5 years.
5
60
years,
months.
bruh. We know what we talking about. 5 years. I put
Yeah,
me in
I
there
know
for
what
a
we're
whole
talking
5
about. You
years
don't know what you're talking
for
about.
picking up a dead body, a completely dead body, not bleeding out, picking up a dead body, bruh. You don't know what I was gonna do with that dead body.
It doesn't matter
I
what
could have
police.
bought it. I
You see, the thing is,
could have bought that dead
you see
body
the
to you.
You see
don't
the
know
thing.
what
You
I.
see
You
the
don't
thing
know.
is. You see the thing is that when a police officer gives you a directive, you listen. I don't care who you
I
think you
put him
are,
down, and
but
y'all
you have
and
to
y'all.
listen.
You gotta
We
give him
told you
time to put
twice.
in the
We told you
command.
the first time.
Goddamn.
We told you the first time.
When I first picked him up, y'all was nowhere around.
Okay.
Then y'all pulled up.
Hold on. So you picked up a dead body.
I picked up a dead body, and they
What
was
were you
nowhere
going
around.
to do with that dead body? Why didn't you call the police?
That is irrelevant to the case. That is irrelevant to the case of what I was going
It's
to
very.
do.
It's very
Ain't
relevant.
nothing happened. Ain't nothing happened.
So
He was.
what were you going to do?
I wasn't going to do anything.
So why did you pick the body up?
Object.
Like I said, that is irrelevant to what's going on.
No, he was
What-
trying.
what-
He was trying to
the
take that
rel-
criminal.
the
He was trying to
relevancy-
take that criminal away
the-
from an addictive scene.
The relevancy
Objection, Your
of
Honor.
the whole situation is y'all gave me too much time. That's
We
the
gave
whole
you too
relevancy.
much time.
Y'all gave me too much
Too
time,
much
bro.
time.
So you
5 years,
said.
bruh.
So you said that we.
Picking up
No,
a
no, no.
dead
So
body, bro.
I would like to step back in right here.
He's tanking
I would
this
like to.
shit.
I would like to stay. I would like to stand back in right here. So you said that we gave you too much time now, but the original case brought to us because you were unlawfully, what's called arrested. So is it that we unlawfully arrested you, or we gave you too much time?
Yeah, I picked up my homie. I was traumatized.
So
My
all right,
homie
so you just
died. I see
admitted.
him on the
So you just
ground.
admitted to the crime. You just admitted to the crime.
Y'all asked me. Y'all already did the time, more than the time.
All right, so you just admitted.
Y'all
You just
asked
admitted
me-
to the crime, sir.
Y'all-
You literally
y'all-
just admitted to the crime. You can.
He was trying to help him. Take him
Like,
to the
you,
hospital.
you admitted to the crime already, so I have no idea why we're going back and forth. So I'm gonna sit here.
That
and
was
I'm
not
just
an
gonna-
admission of guilt, Your Honor.
What is
That was not
what is
admission of
what is
guilt.
what is the what? Can I get my lawyer up here, man? Because this cross examination has been going on too long. I like my lawyer to ask me some questions, man.
That is not how the
Because y'all,
courtroom goes.
y'all,
I'm
y'all,
asking them if
y'all.
they are done with their cross-examination. If they are done, then your lawyer can come up here. If they are not done, they have to finish.
Like they,
Your Honor,
asking
Your
irrelevant
Honor, my
questions,
client
bro.
pleads
How
the
is the question
fifth.
irrelevant?
Because of the fact that what is the crime? What is the time for the crime that I did? What is the time for the crime that I did? Tell me that.
Well, first off,
Which ain't nothing. Because soon as
why are
you
you
said
cutting
put
me
him
off? You
down,
just asked the question. I'm gonna answer
sorry,
you. So
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Talking too much,
Hey, Commissioner,
man.
I would like to I would like to go ahead and arrest our case. I feel like we've already proved beyond a reasonable doubt that this defendant has clearly no reason for this whole case to be going forward, and I think that we already proved that.
Bro. Cut it out, bro.
You see,
I'm asking a
I'm
question.
going to say this right now, and I hope you hear what I'm saying. You keep saying we gave you too much time, but you brought this case forward because you're saying that. So you're pretty much saying that you were admitting that you were guilty. You were admitting that we gave you time for that, which was you're objecting to what he already. It's an admission of okay, Ben. We can play that game.
Statements.
We can play that game. You guys brought this case toward this judge, and we have everyone here gathered today because you brought this case and saying that we arrested this individual unlawfully. Your client on the stand right now is saying that we gave him too much time for his crime, which
Bro,
is
that's
a,
like
a
giving
which
somebody-
is an admission
that's like-
that
that's
he
like-
is admitting
Hold on,
that
let him
he
talk, let
got
him
the that he was arrested lawfully, but he doesn't agree with the time that he was given, which is a whole different case. So this case is done. I am resting our
I was
case.
definitely arrested unlawfully because niggas don't get arrested for
The
picking
defense
up people.
has rested.
Niggas
You
don't get
guys can
arrested
go.
For,
I mean, the
for
plaintiff
going
has
to
rested.
their
You
friends
guys
and be
can
like,
go.
oh, you killed my friend.
Sir,
You know what I'm saying?
sir, relax,
Like I ain't
relax,
took him off
relax,
the
sir.
scene.
Relax,
For
sir.
real, bro.
Relax,
No,
relax,
you don't
relax.
fucking control
Yeah, you
like
can't
I
just
tried
have
to
one
run away.
jury, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it don't work.
I ain't trying to
like
run
that.
away or nothing.
That's not how it works, bro. You can't just have
Alright,
one jury,
sir,
bro.
sir.
I understand
Everybody
that you guys are
quiet.
upset. I understand you guys are upset. I
Damn.
understand you guys are upset, but I'm gonna need everyone over here to stop talking. No, I'm not talking
Oh
to
my
you.
God.
Put him in
jail. We don't have a jury. It's literally just a judge. What are you talking about?
Yo, someone just said
Look,
they're gonna shoot it up.
jury, judge.
Hold on,
Either
hold on.
way, my client is not guilty because he's not on the stand right now. The PD is on the stand for unlawful imprisonment because, for one, my client had no drugs on him at the time he was arrested. Also, my client had no guns on him at the time that he was arrested. He had nothing on him at all. He didn't even have a phone on him at the time that he was arrested, Your Honor. And if the police can provide body footage at the time that he was arrested, it will show that.
Also, he did not resist.
I would like to
arrest
say
at any point.
I would like to ask: is this closing statements by the defense? All right, so just let me know when you guys are done with your closing statements, and I'll read. You can go ahead. I apologize.
That's why they trying to arrest him.
Hold on.
You going, Rollo?
Fuck LSPD.
Fuck the PD.
Boo.
He been helping out the elementary schools for decades.
So, one question I have also is, where's the officer that arrested my client? Is he here
You
today?
got a good point.
Is the officer that arrested Mr. Chico in the building today?
Yes, the officer that did arrest him is in the building because the officer that arrested him was Chief Jones. I mean, Chief Olivero, who was right there.
He's cap. He didn't even know who arrested him.
That's cap. That's cap.
Okay.
That's cap.
It was me.
So in the body cam, when does it show my client resisting arrest?
Shoot this bitch up.
Are you asking me?
Damn.
No.
Are you? If you're asking Chief Olivero, I would need you to tell your client to go back to his seat and have Chief Olivero be sworn in on the stand.
Put PD on the stand. Fuck that.
Yeah, I'd like to do that.
Yes, please.
Yeah, put the PD on the stand.
All right.
They just,
All right.
if you understand, they're just gonna lie about it, so
Swear
it
to
don't
tell
even
the
matter.
whole truth.
You got this, Chico.
So help me God.
Does the PD have
I
any
do.
clips?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
PD ain't got no
Hold it
clips.
down, Chico. We love you, bro.
Okay, how you doing?
Doing good on you, sir.
Doing great.
Bro, trying to arrest
Okay, so my first question
Bro,
is,
the PD has nothing on there.
on your body cam, where does it show my client?
This shit corrupt just like real
All
life.
right, so my body cam is messed up because one of your clients
Hey,
tried
say
to
the
shoot
word,
at me.
twin.
It
Hey,
came
y'all,
out
be
Messed
quiet, be
up.
quiet, be quiet. I can't hear.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Can you say that one more time?
There's no evidence.
So before your client and his associates threatened my life, they started opening fire at us. So my body cam got hit during the crossfire, and it's still. I've been trying to get it back, but when a 5.56 bullet hits you right in your chest, and the body cam saves it, there's not much I
Isn't
can
it
do about that.
mandatory? Isn't it mandatory for all PD to have a body cam
Bro, you
footage of
snitched.
a
You was a
crime that
rat.
they're arresting someone for?
I mean, like I said, I do have body cam of it,
You
but
12. You
I
work for the
don't
police.
have it since mine got corrupted.
You work at the police.
Since I was getting shot at from
Yeah,
your
that's what I'm
client
saying. I'm
himself.
about to beat
I'm
his ass
starting
when
a
you walk out of
protest.
So
here.
my client shot.
He getting
Yo, be
Yeah,
quiet.
your
Be
client
quiet.
did
Be
shoot,
quiet.
100% he did shoot. And from the other officers that were there, I'm pretty sure one of them have a body cam of it, but he's not present.
Okay, yeah, because I didn't see any of that.
Motion to dismiss this case, Your Honor. Fuck that. Fuck
Yeah, I
that.
didn't see any of that evidence.
You can't.
You opened it.
Currently,
You opened this can
you
of worms
cannot
for
dismiss
yourself.
this case because we do have a countersuit against your organization for $4 million. So we, the defense is objecting against that, and that is up to your decision, Your Honor.
And on the body cam that we do have, did it not show my client dropping the body once he was given a lawful command?
After.
I mean, too
I
quick.
already put him in cuffs.
It was maybe like after. No. He was not in cuffs prior to dropping him.
Why wasn't he?
I reviewed the body cam and I was really walking towards him. And I asked him twice, did I not?
But yes, and that's when he dropped him, and then y'all arrested him afterwards.
After I went in for the arrest, was it not?
Because I mean,
because
y'all
I
didn't-
walked up to him, I said one time, put him down. He kept on walking.
Bro, somebody turn their
I
fucking
asked him
phone
again,
off.
put him down. He kept on walking away towards me. And then when I went in for the cuffs, that's when he put him down.
He was trying to lay him down in a safe spot. He didn't want to just plop
In
him
the middle
on
of
the
the
ground.
street is a safe spot.
Oh,
He wanted to-
God.
He was
He
on the
really-
sidewalk at first, no? So why is dropping him in the middle of the street a safe spot?
He was in the driveway.
Yeah, he was in the driveway. and
Okay,
he wanted to
so
make
you
sure
put him
he
in the
put
middle
him
of the
down
street in the
softly.
driveway.
I mean, there's a bunch of cars around.
So that he
Wait,
wouldn't-
wait. So who am I talking to? The
so that the
lawyer or
paramedics. You talking to
Yes,
me?
Mr. Chamberlain, if you could please take a
Nigga
seat.
can't type in the command, goddamn.
Shut up, nigga.
Thank you, sir.
I can't hear from that far.
Then just be quiet where you at.
Pink F11.
Oh.
Okay. So basically, my client was. The reason that my client picked up the individual that we're talking about is in order to try to get him some help because no one was helping him. So I think it's just a huge misunderstanding that y'all felt like he was trying to hinder y'all investigation when he was actually trying to help y'all.
That man on bullshit.
Yes, but I have a question for you though, and for your client. Wasn't your client
You won't play that shit to your
what do you
mic.
want to call it? Knocked out and in trauma, as you guys say.
Yes, sir.
Where's the
Sit your
how
ass
is
down
he
before I
able to
take
pick
you up.
someone up literally a minute right after that?
He had his adrenaline was running.
Hey
Very
Chico,
heavy.
let me cross-examine this motherfucker, dog.
That
Mickey.
wasn't a
He wanted
minute.
to help.
That wasn't a
I
minute,
will
bro.
make
That
us
was
go
like
to the
like
gym here. Oh my god.
So I'm just so confused on how that's
them
possible.
niggas had done went
Hey,
all
go
over
on
the
whisper.
block, man.
Go on whisper, right?
He wanted to help.
Yeah.
At that time, it didn't matter to him. His adrenaline was
Mm-hmm.
running.
Hey Chico, let me cross-advise.
At the same time, during
This
an act,
Wait,
motherfucker,
Rollo, pass that back.
that shit lasted 4 seconds of him telling you to put him down. How long was that supposed to take?
You know what I'm saying?
telling him to put the body down. It doesn't matter.
They're not even
how
giving
he
you the chance
started.
to even put the command down to put the motherfucker down, dog.
The body
You know
cam
what I'm saying?
shows. The body
Like I
cam
ain't gotta
shows
keep
that he
her.
put
You know
him
what I'm saying?
down.
Bring
and
that
he
shit
tried
up.
to
Bring
put
that shit
him
up.
down.
Yes. And they arrested him while the
After
body
like,
they
damn,
took,
y'all niggas can't.
after
I
they
can't
told
type.
him that he
What you
dropped
talking about?
body, they had to give him
I
at
felt
least
type of
a
class.
few seconds.
They don't have to give him anything. They could have ran up and arrested him because he's picking up a dead body from the crime.
Hey, bro, can I hit that?
He could have arrested him from the jump. There's no reason for him to pick up a dead body.
It's my friend.
Y'all
What
go
do you
past that? Can I
mean?
hit that shit?
That's fine.
that
But
chain off,
still,
nigga.
I don't know it's a crime scene. Y'all wasn't there.
well, when
We
they
were there.
told you,
Well, walk
In that
away,
whole
bro.
clip, y'all was nowhere in there until I got arrested.
1 second.
I'm
What's the
not
clip
you.
say?
It's dirty.
And that whole
Chain
evidence
pull
I
up, bro.
sent you, y'all was nowhere there, bro.
Take my man's chain off right now. Take that cousin chain off right now.
I didn't know that was your man's chain. I got
Oh,
you,
yeah.
bro. I'll take it
Take
off
it
to
off.
this.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Bitch ass nigga.
that's the thing you're not
Mickey.
understanding. They told you
Shut
about the
the
body so they could
up.
They could have
I will,
arrested
I will hit you. I will hit you for no this
I didn't know it was a crime scene though.
That's not.
You feel me?
How
I
would
ain't
he
know it
know
was a
that?
crime scene.
Sir, I would like to point out that
Like
the plaintiff is
how I know
not
it's a
on the
crime scene.
stand,
Y'all
so
not
I
even
have no
know.
idea why he's still talking while we're
I'm talking to these
cross-examining
boys
the.
over here.
Well, I'm gonna can you go on whisper then, sir?
Let me just ask one question to the prosecutor. Who can speak for the prosecutor? Lawyer can speak for the prosecutor.
Hey Chico.
We both can, but you can either get
Chico,
Commissioner
Jamal,
Jones
come here,
here.
Both defense. Whoever's on this side.
Well, they're
away,
the
bro.
they're the
Hey, how
prosecution.
do I
We're the
take this chain
defense.
off?
Let me ask you guys.
Like I said again, I'm taking you out in cuffs,
So
boy.
you are here because he
Move
got
out the way, bro.
unlawfully arrested,
Sit down.
Yes, sir.
but he picked up a body during an actual crime scene, even though he didn't know it was an actual crime scene.
To help. So like you would think that the police would at least figure it out.
That feelings have nothing to do with it.
They have to investigate the reason first.
Go inside, go nuts, go and take a seat.
Fingers up for me. Hey Chico.
Who are
How is
you
that
actually?
reason enough?
The person was bleeding out. He was not a dead body at the time. Actually.
Hey Chico.
Not really.
How much
but
time?
I
How
was
much
wondering.
time? How much time before they pulled up to when they arrested you
Are you
elapsed?
sure about that?
If he only gave you 4 seconds, this nigga arrested you in 10 seconds. That don't make no sense. That's not proper time to investigate the fucking scene to figure out what the hell's going on.
Man, the judge don't know what's going on. The man was alive. The man was alive at first, and then he died, which X'd him out of the whole situation. What you gonna take a dead man? What you gonna take a dead man to jail? What they still need him for? Like, why y'all doing this, bro? Y'all can't take a L, bro. Cap.
Oh, police gotta get proper. Hey, they gotta pull up to the scene and properly investigate the scene. They gotta properly investigate the scene. If they pulled up the amount of time they gave you from when they pulled up to when they arrested you, the whole nine.
Yes,
If
he
it was
bled out.
less than
Well,
fucking
he
15
didn't
seconds, I'm
bleed out.
telling
He
you
was
right now, that's
bleeding
not
out
enough
and he
time to
was
investigate the
resuscitated.
scene, and that means they
No cap.
improperly came through and they improperly fucking investigated the scene the way that
And
they
that's
should
what we
have.
were trying.
That's against fucking rules. Guess what? Now y'all niggas took an L. Give me this fucking money. Y'all unlawfully arrested me and get me the fuck out of here. Pay up.
If you're saying your client bled out on the ground and was resuscitated,
what's wrong?
What's saying the other guy couldn't?
And if he ain't got the fucking body cam from the nigga that arrested you, it's over.
He died, bro.
So if they were trying to get him help, then they would have got him help prior.
They wouldn't have been able to get him help because he died.
No, not during that time.
But once he died, you can't
Your
take
Honor,
him.
Your Honor, I would like to object to the relevance of all of this information here because
You can't even take him to the hospital once he died.
The rest of this information is kind of just going all over the place.
I've already come to my verdict.
I'd also like to object. I want to know how this is not a conflict of interest for you, lawyer, being that you were at the scene.
I was not at the
Interesting.
scene.
Interesting.
I don't. Good one. Good one there, Mr. Jones.
You were at the
How
scene
were you at
also.
the? How's this not a conflict of interest for you? When
How's it not a conflict
You
of
weren't.
interest for them too? Fuck out of here. It's a conflict of interest for them
Yeah, I
too.
don't.
That's they homie. That's
So now
PD.
Who
you
was
need a
at the
body
scene?
cam
PD, the biggest gang in the city. Fuck out of
How
here.
was he at the
Review the
scene?
body
How was he
cam.
at the scene?
All right, so Chief, I don't even think that's necessary
That-
at this
that-
point. I do want
yeah,
to
that's-
reiterate that we are countersuing for $4 million.
PD, the
that's
biggest gang in
payable
the city. That's
to,
their man's. Of
from
course,
the
that's
amount of
fucking.
the plant-
That's
the-
improper
It ain't
right
no
there.
counter suit
Who you
because you
counter
took
suing
me
for?
to you
We,
took me to
uh,
jail for way too. So
okay, so we already
Chico,
at the
stop
beginning
saying
of this
that
case,
took you to
you
jail
guys
for way
came and
too
said you
long.
guys are suing
Just
for
say they
$6
fucking
million.
bro,
unlawfully
they're
arrested.
doing what they
Ridiculous,
want to
man. I've
do,
been
bro.
listening to this shit this whole time. It's fucking ridiculous.
Yeah, it's fucking ridiculous, bro.
for
Like y'all took me to jail wrongfully,
and
bro.
$2 million for the
I
police
damn
work
sure
that
ain't
it
suing
took
these
to put this
motherfuckers for a damn
together
thing.
court
It's all
case.
corruption around.
And I said at the beginning
I
of the
heard
case, I
that.
don't think you were
Taxpayers pay
here
for that.
exactly. Well, yes,
They definitely
but
pay for that.
At least the police department is still suing the defendant, the plaintiff over there for $4 million.
They ain't no better than Donald Trump up there,
Either
man.
way, Judge, they have no body cam footage of him having drugs, which added time to his
Doesn't matter.
sentence. They
Doesn't
have
matter.
no
matter.
evidence of him having any
They
guns.
have no
which added
evidence
time
at
to
all.
his
They have no
sentence.
evidence at all.
They have no evidence whatsoever. This is all of this right here is invalid.
Hey,
Because
what
there
I'd like
is
to
no
say,
evidence.
what I'd like to say on court too, what I would like to say before you speak, Judge, Judge, before you speak, I would like to also clarify that this lawyer to my left, or should I even call him just a fake or fraud? He's literally sitting here and saying, earlier he alluded to the fact that he was there at the scene and he was in the shootout between the PD. So I want to ask, how is he representing? How is he representing that plaintiff over there?
Where's the
if
footage of
he's-
him being in a shootout with the police?
Facts.
Only
We
evidence
have-
that's
we
presented
have
is
his
him in
admission.
handcuffs.
We have
My
his
lawyer can't
admission.
be by me.
We have
My
his
lawyer can't be
admission.
by me.
We have
What are
his
you talking
admission in
about?
court.
What are you
I would
talking
like to-
about?
I would
I had
like
to
to
pay
motion
my
this for a
lawyer for
speedy
stuff
trial
like
and
this.
Get this over with, sir.
What are you talking about?
Who was
He
in the
was-
shootout?
It's no
Who was in the
evidence of him
shootout?
being no shootout. What are you talking
Who
about?
was in the shootout? Who was in the shootout?
Lawyer,
Was
right?
it-
Y'all just came in there and started shooting everybody and arresting everybody, bro. And you didn't care who they was, civilians
At the
or
end
nothing.
of the day, you have to be convicted beyond reasonable doubt. And there's definitely doubt here because there is no body cam footage. He did not have drugs. He did not have
Alright,
guns.
So I would like to also say this.
60 years did not.
So what I'd like to
60
say
years
this.
does not count. 60 months does not. 60 months does not equate for picking up a dead body, even if that is the case.
Well, what
Period.
I'd like to say too is that
No
in
cap, bro.
the body cam footage that you guys submitted, you were in cuffs on the scene. So how are you here as a lawyer?
I
Y'all
was
just
detained,
put
I
him
was
in
not
cuffs.
arrested, so I am not guilty. I was detained. I was not arrested because I had just arrived on the scene. I was not a part of the scene. I was arrested. I was detained but not arrested. So that makes me a legal representation without
you
being
are-
a conflict of
Hold on,
interest.
listen. So you are suing $2 million for an unlawful arrest. Am I correct? That is correct. Right?
Unlawful arrest, yes, Your Honor.
6 million.
So can I add
So-
something, Your
hold on,
Honor?
hold on, hold on.
Yeah,
Let me
6
finish.
million.
You're suing for an unlawful arrest.
Correct.
You just admitted in file that him picking up a body probably didn't allude to as much time he got, but it is illegal. It is unlawful.
Okay.
I didn't
okay,
take
did
it.
the
No.
time- But
No.
either way, the
Taking a
time does
taking
not-
no. Taking a body
Allow for the
away
time,
from
bro.
the
Time
scene
to
is
be arrested.
illegal. I never moved the body more than 10 feet from where it was originally at. What are you
That's
talking about,
tampering with
bro?
evidence.
Like, come on, what are you
So I
talking
would like
about?
to ask a
Hey,
question
hell
real
no,
quick.
this
I
shit
would like to
corrupt,
ask a
bro.
question
Fuck
real
all
quick, and I
that.
would like, this
And
to
I
be
knew
a
the
question
guy.
for every-
Like,
I would
come
like-
on, bro. It's not
Yeah,
like
you
I
said
didn't know the
earlier,
Hey, they
guy.
corrupt, bro. They giving
I would
PD
like
all
to
the time in the
answer,
world to talk,
to
man.
the
What the
whole,
fuck?
Trying to
been
sue
hearing
me
this
for
man
4
talk the whole
million.
time.
Y'all.
So I have a question. I have a question for everyone in the courtroom because I do see a lot of people in here is wearing all white with a defendant. He did say that you guys are a charitable organization by the name of Crips. Can you guys stand up if you are here on behalf of the defendant?
Don't
I
stand
mean,
up
on
if you
behalf of the
me.
plaintiff.
Don't stand up.
Yo, arrest all these niggas.
Yeah. So
they stood up.
so this is
Everybody
so,
standing up. What are you talking about?
We'll let the
as-
judge decide. And,
So
So
after
you,
the
so
judge
the whole courtroom, the whole courtroom in the case. Come on now.
Chico gang, boy.
Everyone take a seat, please.
I love Chico, boy. That's homie.
Everyone may be seated. Everyone may be seated. Everyone may be
Nah,
seated.
I'm staying.
This shit corrupt. I ain't fucking with it.
Trying to sue me for $4 million.
Y'all giving the
What fuck?
fucking, y'all giving the
Y'all
fucking
did me
PD all the
wrong.
time in the world to talk. Y'all won't even let my man Chico talk. Let him talk, man. Fuck that.
Chico's not representing himself as lawyers are.
Well, let his lawyers talk then. Y'all ain't even giving him the chance. Every time old dude over there with the fucking little Uzi gummy worm fucking braids on, keep cutting them off.
Well, if you're well, I'm gonna tell you this: since you are a lawyer out there, you can come up here and you can.
Y'all
try
can't
to
y'all
defend
y'all
them
can't
yourself.
even have no proper jury. The jury would rule in my favor.
Well, this is not a jury. This is not a jury case, sir. This is also
Man ain't got no body
That's
camera.
unlawful.
Man ain't got no body cam footage
No
and none of
body
that
camera.
shit. And you telling
Y'all
me
supposed
every
to have a
time we
jury.
do some shit in this
Oh,
motherfucker,
shit.
we gotta clip everything. If he ain't got a fucking clip or any footage, the whole shit is thrown out.
That's not true.
Like that's all I'm
One
hearing.
jury
Like
is
you
That
have
is
the,
that is 100% true.
That's
Every
If
time
you
he
ain't
got a
got
clip, it's
no
thrown
clips,
out. So
you
it's
can't
fuck
say
it.
that the shit went down the way it went down.
So I don't even know.
No
why
body
they-
cam, no
cap.
footage, no
At the end
proof.
of the
It's
day,
word
they
of the
had no
cops
body
against
footage.
me.
Exactly,
Against
bro.
evidence.
Chico, we got you, bro.
You're the one who brought the
We got
case.
you, bro.
You called us here.
Evidence of what?
Yes,
I
yes,
definitely called
yes.
because
And
y'all
so
put me in
by
there
the
too long.
defense-
Right.
Everybody
so the
can agree
plaintiff has the
out
right to
60
see
months was too
all
much.
things against him in the court of law.
Way
So
too
what are you
much.
There's
talking
Unlawful,
nothing
about?
Chico.
against
You
him.
can't
He's the
withhold.
one
They
that's
didn't put
suing
anything
us.
against him.
You're
I
suing
understand that.
us.
But you
I
can't withhold
understand that,
information.
but
You
you
can't
cannot.
withhold nothing.
I
We're not
submitted.
withholding any information.
Y'all are. I
You
told you to
withholding
provide.
information if you got the footage and you ain't posting it.
We
I
actually
for
submitted a body
discovery.
cam. We actually submitted in
Where?
the
Where
body
the
cam.
footage at? Bring the footage
7-second
out.
body cam. A 7-second body cam.
Of him.
Yeah,
7
it's a
seconds,
7
2 minute
second.
minimum. 2
7
minute
second.
minimum.
What are you
7
talking about back
seconds.
there? You're loud and wrong. Shut up.
I
Holy
He
hell.
actually
submitted.
right.
I
I'm
submitted
right
for
as shit. 2
discovery, and
minute
all they
minimum.
delivered was 7
And
seconds.
I bet
Your
everybody
Honor.
else in this courtroom will
7
definitely
seconds.
agree
All
with
they
bro.
had
2
was
minutes,
7
boy.
seconds. I submitted for a
7
I
seconds
said
ain't
look,
shit.
look. That's what I
discovery.
said.
That's all that is all the information they have is
Don't tell me
7
to shut
seconds,
up.
and I submitted for a discovery.
When we
When
questioned it, they said they had more.
Listen,
That,
Mr.
yeah, when they
What's
said
your
they
name?
had more,
What's your name?
where's the body cam footage? Where's the drugs?
name?
Where's the
Who,
guns?
me?
Why did my client go to
My
jail?
thing is, and I'm gonna ask you this.
Oh,
Let's
I'm
check
gonna ask
this
you this right
outside
now,
real
sir.
quick.
Adonis.
I'm gonna ask you this right now, Adonis, and I want you to
We'll check
explain
this
this to me,
outside.
right?
I'll
As the
smoke
That was
defense,
you,
I
homie.
understand.
What's up,
My
bro?
man
You as
Chico
the
not guilty,
prosecutor
boy.
have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that we, as the defendants, committed whatever act that
Who's
you
in the
said that
purple
we committed.
pants?
You
I
submitted
did.
your evidence. And in the evidence, it has showed that your plaintiff and we have you and your
He
defendant, your
backpedaling.
plaintiff over there, saying that he was given too much time instead of
I
saying
said I
that
was gonna
he was
spit. What
unlawfully
day? What
arrested.
night you
So
guys,
at this
bro?
point in
He
time,
backpedaling,
we are not
Chico.
to
That
submit
is
any
that is a
evidence.
term of unlawful
That's
arrest.
not
That is
Get
a
out the
term of
face.
unlawful
false.
arrest. That's
That
like
is
giving
false.
somebody who's
Nah,
jaywalking
no.
3 years in jail, bro.
God
I told
No
you to
cap,
move.
bro.
That
That's
is not
unlawful
correct
arrest.
Hey,
because
can we get police over here?
as the
Why did I just
defense,
get knocked out?
you are responsible for
Told you to
handling the
move.
discovery
You
when
in
it's
my way.
requested.
You punched me.
As the
Here, that's
defense, you are
practically
also
You should have requested that. You should have requested that
That's
before.
what I'm
Which
saying, bro.
arguments?
I'm clipping it. Haha, calling it out then.
5 days ago.
What's
The
your
court
admin?
wasn't even built then.
Calling it
And
out
you was
then.
like, oh no, we're not
What's your
going to
admin?
give any information.
Hey,
That came straight
stop it right
directly
here.
out of your mouth. Out of your mouth. So not only are you withholding information, you just admitted that you have no information but a 7-second clip. And on top of that,
What are you even saying? I legit said,
what I'm saying is,
why are we going to release information if on your
Because it has
evidence,
been
That's withholding
because
information.
it is a
That's
evidence.
withholding
in your
evidence.
evidence, I understand that the English language is not your guys' song shoot, but in your evidence, it literally says, it literally shows that you guys, your plaintiff picked up the body. Why are we here?
Why
You
the
are
fuck
suing
is Lil
us.
Uzi
Why
even
am
in the
I releasing
courtroom?
body cam
So I
footage?
need an hour for picking up a body.
Obviously, this nigga don't understand English
Hey,
because
so who the
picking
fuck
up
hit
a
me?
fucking body does
Me.
not equate to 60 fucking months, does it?
No.
Well,
So-
sir, he
so-
did
so-
say the
so-
truth.
I didn't try to run from police or
We're
nothing.
here for the unlawful
So there was no
arrest.
resistance.
That is not lawful. That. What do you
I
mean? It
didn't
doesn't matter how
resist.
much
I
time.
didn't run
If he
away.
got arrested for drugs,
Hey,
and
officer,
guns,
come get
it's
this
over.
man,
Alright,
officer.
bro.
Hey,
Alright,
David.
let's not-
In this court case, he already served
Come on,
his
don't
time
behind me. I'm telling you, you don't want to take this shit outside. I'll rob you. Make you look dumb, strip you.
He needs reimbursement.
Yeah,
He needs reimbursement,
bro.
Alright, bro.
It was unlawful.
It
because
was
he had the
unlawful.
drugs
Check
and
his
was
outside.
unlawful in the amount of time was unlawful.
Check
In the
his
amount
outside,
of
bro.
time he had.
In the amount of
Stop
time
punching
that I
me,
was
bro.
given,
Thugs away from me, bro.
My bad, bro.
Yeah, he
Hey,
on their
He's trying
side.
to
It
fit.
does not equate 60
He
months.
threatened me. He said
Period.
he's gonna kill me.
Say, how you
I'll
arguing
walk
that
outside
case?
the
All right,
court.
Judge.
Yeah, how you arguing their
Do
case?
we
My
need
bad,
to?
bro.
Do we
Follow
need
me
to?
outside. Follow me outside.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This shit is fraud.
All
This
right,
shit is
Chief
fraudulent.
Officer,
Bro, I
you
can't
you're
do this
good
shit.
to come back to our
Picking up
outside
a
of,
dead body
of
does
the
not
court.
equate
It's
60
not even
months.
about
On
that, bro.
God.
It's not even about that, bro. They don't got the footage.
What if he was
They can't
helping the
properly
person?
sit here and fucking
Oh,
plead a
God,
case
bro.
to saying they didn't fucking do it.
There's
If they ain't
plenty of
got
people
two, if
that's
they ain't
picking
got
up
2
dead
minutes of
bodies in the
fucking
city and
footage,
ain't got
it's
60
over.
months. You fucking crazy.
Chico, bro, if they ain't got 2
You
minutes of
fucking
footage, bro,
crazy.
it's a wrap. No matter what the fuck you
Niggas will leave
saying.
the city left and right if they go to jail for goddamn
What if he was
60
taking
months,
him
an
to
hour.
the PD station?
People
Hey,
get picked
hey,
up every
Chico,
day.
hey, Chico, tell him
Dead bodies
this
get
though.
picked up
Hey,
every day and don't get 60 months. That's crazy.
I guarantee you, bro. If it was them asking you for the fucking for the shit for evidence,
But the
they want
charges
2
are
minutes. If you
invalid
ain't
because he
have
had
2
no
minutes, they would say
drugs or
the clip
guns.
is
So what are you
invalid.
talking about?
We're ready for the verdict, sir.
What if he was turning the body in?
And it sounds like they
That's
already
what I
know
say.
that
I
answer.
never ran, bro. They don't know what I was doing. I never ran. I never
Exactly.
said in the evidence that I was finna take you away. I never said nothing. Like, come on, bro.
Look at him. He passing out because he over. Hey, check him and see if he high in the court.
Oh. Like,
Oh,
bro.
wait,
Decomposing body. He had to do something with it.
Damn, your lawyer died?
Yeah, he can't pick him up. He can't pick him up. He gonna get 60 months if you pick him up.
60 months if you fucking get him.
60 months.
Free Chico. Hey, 60 months.
60 months.
Hey, the verdict is being read. The verdict is being read. Can everybody in here please be quiet?
Fuck that verdict.
Bro, move up my way, Crip.
Look, Uzi fake as hell up there. On Crib.
God, man.
On Crib.
Oh,
On neighborhood
God,
Crib.
man.
That nigga fake as hell.
Everybody be quiet. Johnny.
Take me to jail. I
Yo!
dare you.
Okay.
Take me to jail. I dare you.
Show you, let me know. I got that blemmy on me. I
Chico
got the
shouldn't
blemmy on me.
Okay, okay.
I got that blemmy on me.
To the neighborhood Crips versus the LSPD.
Nah, let's wait for the verdict. Wait for the
Everybody
verdict.
come outside.
I
We don't
ruled
need to
that the
hear the
LSPD
verdict.
is not guilty of any charges. They did not wrongfully arrest their client. Their client picked up a dead body. That's why he was arrested. The time
Bullshit.
has nothing to do with this case here. The time has something to do with something
Oh,
other
they're
case,
leaving.
not this case.
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
We're just gonna
They
leave.
know it.
The
They knew
neighborhood
it.
Crips also
Mike,
have
go,
a
go, go,
legal
go.
charge on them, so
Oh.
before you leave, you will have to be arrested.
Oh.
Nah, bro.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
They had a counter suit.
Corrupt fucking
They had a
PD. Corrupt PD. That's why it's fuck
What
12.
did I do?
You got the right to remain silent. Anything you do is taken is used against you in the court law. You got the right to an attorney. Bro, you were in the way. Stop crying. You were in the way.
You weird as fuck,
How am I
nigga. Ain't even do shit.
You were in the
bro. Nigga, we
way.
can't walk out. Bro, you weird, nigga. You can't walk out.
Make sure
Free
y'all
Chico!
arrest every single Crip you see. Every single Crip you see is arrestable.
I just gotta.
What the fuck am I
Arrest
arrestable
every
for?
single Crip.
I got four. I got four.
What I'm arrestable for? Fuck out of here. Hey, Bali, where the whip at?
I'm trying to call one.
Call that. Get me up out of here. These motherfuckers tripping. Get me to the garage.
Don't worry.
Let's get him, Vex. Get his bitch. No. Get him. Someone tackle him. Why are they taking away bodies? Yo, arrest the guy that's taking bodies. Arrest the guy that's taking bodies.
We got two running down Main Street. Going towards Legion. The fact that no one
No gun, nigga.
I ain't got no gun. Me neither. Dude. Dude, why's my map looking like this? What the fuck?
Bro, is your map fucked up?
Yeah, my map fucked up, bro.
Is your map fucked up?
Yeah, it's fucked up. Yeah, my shit fucked up. My shit fucked up. Business corner, business corner, business corner. Niggas chasing us, niggas chasing us. Right here, right here, right here. We on that. Come on, hop in, nigga.
Oh, nigga, you got.
Come on.
Shit.
Come on. Oh.
No, Cadell, this can't be happening right now.
What's going on here?
I don't know what's going on, officer. I don't got the key. I don't got the keys to my whip no more. I don't know what happened.
Yes. Could you step out of this vehicle, please, sir? So I can verify you.
Yeah.
I can't.
I can't even. The map is fucked up, bro. I can't even move.
I can't move. Oh shit! There we go.
You own this vehicle, sir?
Yeah. Bitch ass nigga. Come on, we out, nigga. Let's go. We gotta go. Let's go. We out. Let's go. That nigga had the ooh up on him. We got a dip. We got a dip. We got a dip. We gotta go main garage. Main garage. We gotta go main garage, bro. Come on. Fuck PD. Come on, bro. I gotta make it to the whip. 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 Come on, nigga. Let's go. Come on, nigga, let's go.
Oh, stop moving, nigga. Steam on, let's party.
Let's party, eh?
Party on.
Hey, come on. Come on.
Bali.
Bali, come on.
Bali, come on.
Oh, she getting left. We out. Fake ass motherfuckers, man.
Hey, I cooked that nigga. And they
Hey.
was already in the shootout with them
Hey,
niggas.
you cooked
Fuck them
them. You
niggas.
cooked them. Cooked the shit out of. I thought you ain't had no strap.
Bro, it finally spawned, bro. The
I
shit
was
wouldn't
like-
pull out.
I was like, God damn. I was like, nigga, I'm out here no strap. And they did a car wipe, nigga, so I couldn't even. My car. I had no straps in the car.
Hey, let's go to the crib.
To the crib.
Yeah, to the crib.
All right.
The block is hot right now. The block is hot.
Hell yeah. Hey, my map was fucking up and shit.
Yeah, mine too. I pull up on Jada real quick.
That's why.
Yo.
Yo.
Is Jada here? Alright, let's get up out of here.
Ooh, nigga.
I ain't got no radio.
I ain't got shit. I got hold on. They arrested that nigga, bro.
I know. I said, nah, not me, nigga. Not we.
Nigga, they
Nah, I had to
arrested
cook
hella
that nigga.
bodies.
I had to cook that nigga.
I'm about to clip that shit too. 5 minutes worth, nigga. I got all that. They was out there wilding. PD out there, police brutality. Sue him again. police
Nigga,
brutality.
I thought we were done for.
He talking about
I'm not even gonna lie.
I thought so too. I was like, damn, this nigga got us. It will be one left coming out of the fucking police station. Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, we still at it. Let's get it. Nah, them niggas are some hoes.
And then on top of that, they coming out talking about arrest every crip you see. For what?
Nah, them niggas are some hoes.
For what? Unlawful arrest again. How about open this shit? How about open this shit?
Hold up. I gotta take my seatbelt off.
This door open? Damn, son. You making one? You got some food on you?
Yeah.
Let me get some food, nigga. I'm about to die.
Bro, that shit was ass, bro. These niggas talking about unlawful arrest wasn't valid. Like, nigga, y'all can't confirm he had drugs. You can't confirm he had guns. 60 years does not warrant picking up a body. 60
Not even
months does
that.
not
See,
warrant
that's what
picking up a body.
that's besides
Niggas
the
pick up
point,
bodies
though.
every day, B.
But that's besides the point, though. I wouldn't have even brought up the fact that 60 months is too much time, because that's where they was trying to fuck
That's
y'all
where
up
it
at.
went.
But
That's where it went.
that's because Chico was talking too fucking much. But
Chico was talking way too fucking much,
But the
yo.
thing is, though, it's like this. It's simple and plain. It states, right, in the rules, which y'all consider as law, if you do not have
Nah,
2
they
minutes
don't.
worth of
Apparently they don't.
no, it's
Apparently they
crooked.
don't.
It's no, that's what I'm saying. That's crooked shit. But that's what
Oh
I'm saying,
yeah,
though. It's
'cause
2
that was my
minutes.
whole defense.
You need
That
2
was my
minutes
whole.
of fucking footage in order
Yeah.
for any report or for any evidence. You need 20 minutes, and that's by the Woods law. If you do not have 20 minutes, they can't do shit with. I mean, 2 minutes, they can't do shit with it. I'm like, if he don't have a 2-minute clip, or if none of y'all have a 2-minute fucking clip to sit here and provide to the court for evidence, this whole shit is in his argument is invalid. That means I showed you right here where I didn't resist arrest, where I didn't do this. I pleaded my case. They can't back up they can't sit here and argue my plea because of the fact that they don't have any fucking evidence, which means you have to rule in my fucking favor. Simple.
Bro, they was not going by that at all.
I know that.
Bro.
I heard it. I heard it.
Because
That's
even if we were, because fuck all that. If we were going by the rules, Chico had a new soul. That nigga died fully and got revived.
Yeah,
so anything after, it even says in the rules, bro, in the rules, that doing so would break the new life rule. And then it also says this does not apply to PD. It says if you or they die and they see you breaking the law after they have revived, they are allowed to arrest you. He did not commit a crime after the fact that he had died, other than picking up a dead body, if they want to say that was a crime. But picking up a dead body
does
It's
not
not a fucking
constitute
crime.
for 60 months at the end of the fucking day, bro. Sure,
That's
they can
facts.
say they arrested him for picking up a dead body. Okay, but all the rest of the counts have to get thrown out of the fucking window. They have to get thrown out the window, and he has to be compensated for that time. Period.
No cap.
Period.
No cap. No cap. No cap. No cap. No cap. That is real shit. No cap. That's what I'm saying, bro. That shit crooked. You could tell they was on that food shit, bro. That's why I ain't fucking with the motherfuckers, man. And then this motherfucker, when we leave in the courtroom, this motherfucker yelling out, PD yelling out, arrest every crip you see, arrest every crip you see. So get again, unlawful arrest again. Like, yo, what am I getting arrested for just because I'm a part of crip? What did I do? I didn't do a fucking thing, except for leave the fucking courtroom.
Bro, all I know is them niggas can't say I didn't try. You know what I'm saying? If anything, I feel like I represented myself very well, nigga. I don't give a fuck what these niggas talking about, cause that nigga didn't lose cause of me. He lost cause of himself. On God.
Cause I'm
On
like, once
God,
you
bro.
start talking about some 60 months is too much time, nigga, don't say that. What are you saying that for? Being arrested, period, was unnecessary. That's the original argument.
They did get him though. They did get him once they established that picking up a dead body during the scene was a crime. What the fuck was I supposed to do with that?
No, you can say, okay, I understand picking up the dead body.
Because we even submitted in the evidence with this nigga picking up the dead body, he was guilty on that accord. But those other two counts of guns and
They said,
drugs
but that's the argument though. The argument was, right, I understand that he picked up the dead body, right, on the scene. But the problem is though, is that the scene was supposedly over. So if the scene was supposedly over, he did not commit a crime. And if they can't provide evidence, and if they can't provide, but that's what I'm saying though. That's when you have to tell them, you have to provide evidence that the scene was not over. And if you can't provide evidence that the scene, but that's what I'm saying though. I know they don't.
They don't have to.
Why not?
They don't have to, because they aren't. They're not guilty and they're innocent until proven not guilty. We're supposed to have that evidence. We're supposed to have that evidence. They're innocent until proven guilty, Jamal. So if we don't have the evidence that the scene wasn't over, they're automatically not guilty. You feel me?
Yeah, I feel
They're automatically not guilty.
What you want? Hold on, G. Hold on, real quick. Hold on.
I don't know what to do with that.
That's not your fault, bro. I mean, it's not your fault, but even then, I still would have threw that shit out there anyway, and been like, bro, y'all gonna have to provide me with something, cause obviously we providing shit in our favor, but y'all not providing nothing at all to even counter argue.
They don't have to. They didn't have to. That's the problem.
No, but then they can't. But then they
proven guilty.
I understand that, but then even then, right? They sitting there talking. You can't sit here and say, out in court at that, right? You're under oath. You can't sit out here and say that you have evidence that you literally are withholding. What the fuck is that? That is bullshit. You cannot withhold evidence, especially if it was requested before a trial. Yeah. What's he talking about? I have evidence. He talking about we have more clips. We have a 7-second clip. We have other shit. Well, where the fuck is it at? I requested all of that shit when I fucking asked.
I submitted for a discovery. I sure
exactly.
did.
So then again, right now, what the fuck is that? That's cat.
Did you hear me up there? I sounded like shit. I sounded like shit. I did. Bro, it was not, bro. It was not. It was not. Do you have the vape, baby? Oh. These niggas played it. They played the fuck out of us, man. So we had all the crips there, right? We was rolling like 20 deep. 20 deep. You saw us in there. 20 deep. And then I was like, man, I already saw where it was going. So I was like, everybody leave the court now. Hey, stop it. Everybody leave the courthouse right now. Because I already see where shit's going. As soon as we leave the courthouse, the commissioner is like, arrest every crip that's here. Arrest. Stop. arrest every Crip that's here. And they start all the PDs swarm. We were running from the police. I killed 2 of them.
I got all that shit on my
fucking
stream.
car, and it was a car, like random car. So he's searching for the keys, and the alarm's going off. And another, bro, we didn't think I was cooked.
I was about to fight that nigga. No cap. I was about to beat
I
that
thought we
nigga
was
ass.
cooked.
I was about to try to beat
It
that
was
nigga ass. That shit comedy, boy. I'ma end the stream.